Are you looking to achieve a lush, vibrant lawn that will be the envy of your neighborhood? Well, today I'm going to share with you a game-changing tip on how to get sod to spread with sand. Are you tired of dealing with patchy, uneven grass in your yard? By using sand to help your sod spread, you can create a smooth, uniform lawn that will have your neighbors wondering what your secret is. Sand spread over bare spots, and the Bermuda will fill in the bare spot. New sod prep. First, prepare the area where you'll be laying the sod by removing any debris and properly leveling the soil. Then spread a thin layer of sand over the surface. This will provide a stable base for the sod to take root and spread evenly. Next, lay the sod over the sand, making sure to press down firmly to secure it in place. The sand will not only help the sod to spread more easily, but it will also improve soil drainage and aeration, leading to healthier grass in the long run. After laying the sod, water the area thoroughly to help it establish roots. Keep the sod consistently moist in the following weeks to promote healthy growth and ensure a well-established lawn. So why wait any longer? Try this simple yet effective technique to get sod to spread with sand and watch as your lawn transforms into a beautiful, uniform carpet of greenery. Your neighbors will be asking for your lawn care secrets in no time.